Okay, it's recording. Okay. Hello, YouTube. I'm Sabine.
And I'm Daria.
She's the weird one. Okay. So, we just made a YouTube, and so I have the hiccups, and they're not going away. God. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So, well, we don't really know what we're gonna be doing on the YouTube channel, but we're just gonna like do stuff. And yeah. She's shy on camera sometimes.
I'm so shy.
Stupid hiccups. Okay, does anyone know how to get rid of the hiccups? Cause it's annoying. Okay, well, you know what? I'm just gonna... Oh, yeah, we're both wearing... Are you wearing red? You're wearing red, right?
I'm wearing red.
She's wearing red, too.
Yeah, we were celebrating this red thingy in our school.
No, it's not a red... Oh my gosh, you're an idiot.
We were celebrating this reddy thingy, so I'm wearing red, and then I put whiskers on because it's half Halloween, and then I put a red smiley face on because I like red. So, yeah, okay.
No, we're wearing red because it's the high school game.
No, we're not.
It's the homecoming high school game today. Football. That's why everyone's wearing red. That's why they made it a Spirit Day smart one. See, I'm the smart one.
More like
surprisingly, I'm the smart one. And so yeah, we're wearing red, and I have like she doesn't have a nose because she's a weirdo. I have a nose.
But my teacher stamped my forehead because I got a question right. So she's like,
what? I'm scared to meet your teacher. Wait,
Miss Freeman and Miss Brown. Yeah.
Sure. Okay.
Oh, and Miss Miller also loves me a lot.
Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Oh, my teacher from last year, Miss Williams, she just loves me so much. Can't even explain it. She hates me. But in like a fun, loving way, if that's even possible. No one asked you. Okay, so we're gonna be making like a lot of videos today because we're just really bored.
So comment and tell us what you
give
want
us like
us to
suggestions on what to do, like challenges
and
that won't make us throw up or die.
And if it's disturbing, just give it to her. You know.
What? You're irrelevant. Okay. Yeah. So I'm wearing pink thingy. I don't know why, but okay. Yeah. Comment, subscribe, follow our channel if they do that. Yeah, I don't even know. Okay, so yeah, comment, subscribe. Yeah.
Bye. So
Whiskers.
put it off.
Okay, bye guys.